Different types of emergencies can trigger the need to activate a facility's Emergency Action Plan, or EAP, whether everyone needs to evacuate due to a fire or they need to shelter in place to guard them from an external source of harm.
T-minus 2 minutes.
A well-planned EAP describes how everyone on-site will be notified and what specific actions they need to take. Plans are specific to each site, but they should all have the following elements. First is a way for everyone to report emergencies. This may mean taking actions such as sounding an alarm, making an announcement, or contacting a supervisor. Second is a method for alerting everyone on-site to the emergency. This can be done through sounding alarms, text messaging, emails, or through other forms of communication. Emergency action plans also identify both primary and secondary exit routes, as well as the evacuation procedures that need to be followed after exiting the building, such as going to predetermined assembly points so that everyone, including employees, vendors, and visitors, can be accounted for. If employees are required to shut down critical processes or operations prior to exiting the building, those procedures or operations will be identified in the plan with the shutdown procedures listed and the person or persons responsible identified. Facility coordinators should evaluate emergency risks and outline conditions that necessitate evacuation, such as fire or explosion risks, harmful vapors from chemical spills, or natural disasters that make the facility unsafe. Conditions for sheltering in place should also be listed, such as protection from tornadoes or hurricanes, terroristic threats, or radiological events. Finally, the chain of command for emergencies should be outlined in the plan so that each individual knows their responsibilities during an unplanned situation. Check out our other 2-minute drills for more ways to identify hazards and keep you and your team safe during spill response.